Hi there, this is Gary Wales. It's Thursday the 27th, and I just want to show you kind of where we're at. Anyhow, it's coming along really quite well, the body. Let me show you. And it's been doing a lot of paint and so forth and priming, getting everything dead ass straight. And John Maddox came over, and we made a couple little adjustments. And now I'll take these apart and be doing the priming on the two wings on the car. And there's four of us here, kind of mumbling around here, and it's going to be pretty fantastic, I think. So I just wanted to show you. Now I'm going to give you a run around the shop real quick, just because it's. Say hello, Kyra. Kyra's here, and we've been working on the engine. Had a few little things go not exactly like we wanted, but no problem. This is easy stuff we'll fix. It's just a question of money and time. And here we go. This is the Beast. It's coming along quite well. The back is just about done, ready for paint. The chassis here, the transmission has all been repaired and everything. Andres has got that all done. And it's coming along quite well. Next we'll be fitting this block, which is a 6-cylinder, into this, which was previously a 4-cylinder, but completely bogged out. But you'll notice there are a few of our little details that we do. This is a 250, 300-year-old sword handle as the shifter. Andres got a bunch of stuff done. It's really, really coming along well. And say hello to John Maddox. He's our wood genius, and there's our other genius, in-house genius, and we're getting all of this done. We're putting all our little goodies together and getting ready to do it. So very soon you'll be seeing some major things that are done. And you'll notice, see if you can pick out Andreas and John Maddox in this mess, and of course me. I think you'll be able to do that. These are some of my crazy friends that put up with us, and I think you'll find it interesting. Anyway, there we go. Everybody enjoys looking at the picture because they're in it. So anyway, we're coming along quite well with the Beast. I just want to show you a couple little things, some of the wiring things that's going down. This is beautiful work that's been done. Built-in battery charger, and all the wiring's being done. And you can see it down here. Pumps and so forth, and the power brakes and the power steering, and all getting done, just so you know. Anyhow, I'll leave you now. We're at 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Bye.